What's going on? I'm right here starting off my build. Got this B20. I also got a B16 type R head. About to slap on this bad boy. Just trying to take out this head. Got the B16 head right here. About to see if I get it poured and polished. Get some valve spring retainers. Right now I'm trying to take out this B20 head out of the B20 block. Make sure everything's good, and we go from there. There you go. This should be freed up. Now I gotta reach down to these bolts, get those off, and the head should be out. My concern were the sleeves. I mean, I don't see like they crack anywhere. I'm gonna get this block sent to the shop. The block looks good. The motor was running. There was no rod knocks or anything like that. That's it, boys. If you want to see more of my build, just subscribe, follow me, hit that like, comment. Hopefully get this build done so you guys can see it running and tuned and everything. Gotta take everything apart. Let's see if in a couple weeks or so order some parts, get this build started.